A lot of you had requested a healthy multigrain bread recipe. Here you go. But this one is made in a cooker.
If you think that breads can be made only in an OTG, let me show you today how you can bake this multigrain atta bread in a cooker.
So all you need is first some lukewarm water. Make sure it's not too warm, just lukewarm. I'm adding sugar and yeast to it. I'm using instant dry yeast. You can use any yeast of your choice. Once that is done, keep it aside and let the yeast bloom. You can see the yeast has been bloomed very well. Then we add the flours. So the flours that I've used a little bit of atta, jowar flour, a little bit of ragi. So all the flours that I've used, I've mentioned in the description. So always make sure that to see if your yeast is blooming well, you need to try this method, because if your yeast does not bloom within 10 to 15 minutes, that means there's a problem with your yeast. So you have to knead this very well. You can use your hands, the dough. If you don't want to use the hands, you can use a beater, that's fine. I've added oil. Once the dough is nice and soft, I am keeping for proofing for another half an hour to 40 minutes till it becomes double in size. After that, knead the dough a bit and then we're going to roll it into a bread loaf. This is very important. Make sure you just knead it very well so there are no cracks and all, because we've used flour. It can get really dry on the top. So what I do is I just keep sprinkling a little water so that the crust is not formed. So I've added a little bit of milk wash and then I topped it up with some oats. So you can do this also. Now you bake it in the cooker. Make sure your cooker is preheated. How to use a cooker, part 1 of my video is there where I explain perfectly how we can use a cooker. So there you go. Your bread is ready. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section which recipe you want to see next.